Good morning, YouTube. I hope everybody is having a great Monday morning. I am up bright and early, but I'm gonna go and take my medicine. So before I do, I wanted to come and do my hair again, and we're gonna be doing the Eco Styler. And even though the hair turned out real good yesterday, I want to come and show you when it's so drenched when it's very, very wet and it's not completely dried out like it is today. So I'm going to detangle a little bit, especially the back. And I'm going to show you when you get a good amount what your hair can do. And we are going to be using that again. The brush, I'm going to be using the Eco Styler Curl and Wave. This has an 8-hole. This gives you a little bit more of a flexi hole. So I'm going to take probably about this much. And we're just going to rub through the hair. There we go. We're not going to try to use too much. And yeah. There we go. And that is mostly it. We're going to do that right there. But yeah. And we're just going to take a little bit for the front, a little bit, and do the back a bit. And then, and I'm sorry about that noise. That I think that's the, but yeah. So yeah. So the next thing we're going to take is this, and we're going to pull that through. We're going to pull this through right quick. I'm just going to give it a good brush back with the detangler brush. And I'm sorry about that noise. That's the garbage truck this morning running. And there we go. And stuff, yeah. So yeah, with the curls, and I will when it dries and everything, I will put some pictures up on my Instagram. I will tell you where you can follow me at. But yeah, this is just a simple, very, very simple curl routines I've been showing you. So I'm gonna go get my hair cut this week at my hairdresser at the end of the week. So yeah, that is it. And it's more defined. You can tell it's getting more defined and everything and stuff. It's just like this. It's this little stuff you can do just to make your hair. But yeah, and think I'm gonna come back a little bit later in the week and give you some tips of how tips on how I care for my hair. Until then, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe.